Do you ever feel like you're your own worst enemy when it comes to money? You set goals, you try to save or invest, but somehow you always end up back where you started or worse. It's not bad luck, it's self sabotage. The good news is, this is not a permanent state, and you're not alone. Recognizing the patterns is the first step to change. In this video, we'll uncover why financial self sabotage happens and, more importantly, how to stop it for good. Together, we'll explore practical steps to break free and finally achieve your financial goals. Chapter 1. What is financial self-sabotage? Financial self-sabotage is when your actions and habits work against your financial goals. It's subtle and often subconscious, but it shows up in those little decisions that hold you back. Maybe you've caught yourself impulse spending when you're stressed or bored, or avoiding creating a budget because it feels overwhelming or restrictive. Maybe you procrastinate on taking steps to invest or improve your finances, telling yourself you'll start tomorrow. Self-sabotage isn't about laziness or lack of discipline. It happens because of subconscious beliefs about money. These beliefs can come from fear of failure, fear of success, or even fear of change. Another root cause is comfort zones. Even when your current financial situation feels frustrating, it's familiar. And the mind tends to resist change, even if it's positive. Chapter 2. How to recognize self-sabotage. To break free, the first step is to become aware of it. Self-sabotage is tricky because it feels like part of your personality or routine. But with a little reflection, you can uncover these patterns. Ask yourself, what financial habits are holding me back? Do I avoid checking my bank account because I feel anxious? Do I delay budgeting because it feels like too much work? Maybe you tell yourself, I'm bad with money, and then avoid learning more about finances. Or you hesitate to take opportunities, thinking, it probably won't work out. Recognizing these patterns is powerful. It helps you identify where change is needed and where to start. Chapter 3. Why do we self-sabotage? Let's dig deeper into the reasons behind this behavior. At its core, self-sabotage is about fear. The fear of failure often sounds like, what if I try and fail? What if I save money, but an emergency wipes it all out? Maybe it's better not to try at all. Then there's the fear of success. Thoughts like, what if having money changes me? What if people think I'm greedy or selfish? Will I lose relationships if I succeed financially? Finally, there's the comfort zone. Even if your financial habits are frustrating, they're familiar. Changing them feels uncertain, and uncertainty feels uncomfortable. Chapter 4. Breaking free from self-sabotage. Now that you understand the patterns, let's talk about breaking them. The key is to replace destructive patterns with constructive habits, one step at a time. Start by identifying and challenging your thoughts. When you think, I'm bad with money, replace it with, I'm learning to manage money wisely. This small shift can change how you approach decisions. Next, set small, achievable goals. Instead of saying, I'm going to save thousands this year, start with, I'll save $50 this month. These small wins build momentum and confidence. Create accountability. Share your financial goals with someone you trust, like a friend or family member, or use an app to track your progress. When someone else knows your goals, it's easier to stay committed. Reward yourself for milestones. Celebrating your progress reinforces positive habits. For example, after hitting a savings goal, treat yourself to something small and meaningful. Chapter 5. Building habits for success. Overcoming self-sabotage isn't about perfection. It's about consistency and replacing old habits with better ones. Instead of emotional spending, make a list of free or low-cost activities that bring you joy. These could include going for a walk, starting a creative project, or spending quality time with loved ones. Replace procrastination with the daily financial power hour. Spend 15 to 30 minutes each day reviewing your goals, checking your progress, or planning next steps. Visualization is another powerful tool. Close your eyes and imagine what financial success looks like for you. Picture paying off debt, saving for a goal, or feeling financially secure. This keeps your motivation strong. Over time, these habits will rewire your brain and shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. You'll not only achieve your goals, but create a sense of empowerment and confidence with money. Final thoughts. Self-sabotage doesn't mean you're failing. It's simply a pattern that can be broken. By recognizing it, challenging it, and replacing it with better habits, you can achieve any financial goal. If you found this video helpful, like the video to support the channel. Share it with friends who might need these insights, and subscribe for more tips to transform your money mindset.